Greetings and salutations, Sama. My name is AJ. I'm the social media manager here at the InvArch network, and I'm super excited to come to you today to create this video because just recently, Nova Wallet announced that cross-chain transfers between Tinkernet and Basilisk are now available. So if you're wondering how to do that, this is why I made this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Majority of this video, I will be looking down. I actually have my phone right here, but as you can see, if you haven't already noticed, on your screen on the right hand side, I have tethered my phone to my laptop so you can actually view exactly what I'm doing on my phone. Before we jump right in, what's important is to have your wallets connected to Nova Wallet. Click on the icon right here on the top right hand side of your phone screen. Click that icon, and so if it is your first time, you will need to add your wallet first, or else you won't be able to access it through Nova Wallet. And once you have that, I realized that transferring from Basilisk, you will need BSX tokens in order to transfer, let's say, your Tinker back to Tinkernet or from Basilisk. I want to show you that first. Most likely you'll end up on the home page, which is assets. In the middle, on the bottom there is browser, so down here. And here you can actually access certain websites. So for example, Basilisk, you can actually access the browsers and have your wallets connected to that browser, just like on desktop. So for example, we'll go to Basilisk here. And so immediately you won't have your account connected to the Basilisk website, so you'll have to connect that. We can do that together right now. So connect account, and you can select it. I want to be able to purchase some BSX tokens to cover my fees when I want to transfer from the Basilisk network to the Tinkernet network. And that's actually more than enough, because when I was checking the fees in my preparation for this video, the fees are around 12 BSX tokens. So that's more than enough to cover your fees. So I'll just swap that right now. And you just confirm, and transaction success. So we can exit out of the browser and we can go to assets. I have 0 Tinker on the Tinkernet network with this account, but on Basilisk I have around 26. So let's say I want to transfer from this Basilisk Tinker account over to my Tinker account on the Tinkernet network. So let's perform a cross-chain transfer. Now I'll be transferring from the Basilisk network to the Tinkernet network on this same account. So this is AJ Snack 1. So all we have to do is click on my Tinker balance on Basilisk, press send. So from here, you want to ensure that you are doing everything that you want to do. You want to change this. So it says send Tinker from Basilisk to Basilisk. That doesn't really make sense because I already have Tinker on the Basilisk network. And what I want to do is transfer Tinker, so send Tinker from Basilisk to Tinkernet. All you have to do is click on this drop down right here and choose below here, Tinkernet. And then from there, like I said, I just want to transfer to the same wallet but on a different network. So AJ Snack 1. So this will transfer to my Tinker balance on the Tinkernet network. If you remember just from a little bit earlier, I did purchase some BSX tokens. So this will cover the fee, but let's say I want to transfer 26 Tinker. And if you remember from the past tutorial, a rule of thumb is to leave 0.1 Tinker for some fees. Obviously this is much less. If you look down here, cross-chain fee 0.009. Let's say in the future, if I want to transfer again, I'll still have enough Tinker to make some transfers, and that'll cover the fee. So if we were to deconstruct this from the network Basilisk, going to the same wallet, but to the Tinkernet network here, I am sending myself 26 Tinker. This is the Basilisk network fee, so 12 Basilisk and 0.009 Tinker. So press confirm, transaction submitted. You may want to give yourself a few moments just to wait for the transaction to go through. And so if we look up Tinker, there we go. 26 Tinker in my account on the Tinkernet network. And that's how you perform a cross-chain transfer using Nova Wallet. It's the same idea in reverse. Just make sure that you select exactly what network you're transferring to between Basilisk and Tinkernet. Make sure that you have enough Tinker and enough Basilisk or BSX tokens to cover your fees. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Enjoy cross-chain transferring, and I hope you have a good day. Take care.